You searched how to buy shares of Alphabet. This video gives a short educational walkthrough. Alphabet is a global technology company that trades on Xetra under the ticker GOOG.EUR, and this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GOOG.EUR to find Alphabet on Xetra. Confirm the listing and company name so you select the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart for context. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker reads GOOG.EUR to confirm it is the right stock. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio with holdings and current value. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account and follow along.